Hey guys, welcome to a non-stressable video for once. Today I'm going to be doing the shell challenge where there's a box or like several boxes of random shapes, and hey guys, editing me. So I did the most horrible job on explaining what a shell challenge was. And so it's basically in Sims 4, some Sims 4 creators, I don't know who made it, but there's these shell houses. They're just boxes basically, but you make a house out of it. You can't take down any walls, but you can turn them into fences or half walls. So back to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it. Go into the gallery, then go into hashtag, and then put in shell. Let's see what pops up. I think I saved one though. I think I'm going to be doing this one, and so let's download it. Finished or unfinished? Unfinished. There we go. So as you can see, this the shell challenge shell, and now the challenge is to make it. So let's start on the interior design. Oh, I didn't notice there was a. Oh, never mind. I thought there was a swimming pool on the back. Okay, so I'm going to make this into a driveway, and this is like gonna be the front door. This is like gonna be the kitchen slash dining room. That's a bathroom, and I think, oh, and some rules. So you can turn it into a half wall, a fence, but you cannot remove wall. You can add walls, such as like closing this in. That's allowed, but you cannot take down the walls. So I'm gonna do the oopsies. I'm gonna do the outside walls. Actually, there we go. The outside walls. I think I'm gonna work on the driveway first. I may speed it up for your convenience, so
let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave.
I think we're gonna go on the inside now, on the top. We'll deal with the roofing later. Oh, I can do that. I completely forgot about these. Like, the lights. I like that. Let me. Yeah, very nice.
So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun. the sun. Close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
So I think that's it. We're going to see, I'm gonna show you a tour around the house now. Don't mind everything around about the roof because it was horrible. I also do an overview. So this is the front porch. I sort of like it. This is the living room. It's and dining room. It's sort of bland, sort of not, sort of bland, sort of not. This is her room, whatever her name is. I don't remember. Her room, the living room, the kitchen, the garage, upstairs. This is the hallway area to the 2 bedrooms. I didn't put in the bathroom upstairs, but they can use the bathroom downstairs. Oh, the window popped up, whatever. It had a window over there. This is the girls' room, and this is the boys' room. I don't know why, but he gets a deck all to himself. And so yeah, that's it. Now to the outro. I hope you all are having an amazing day or have had an awesome day. Bye.